I wholeheartedly believe in the mission of Campus Connections and how it impacts the students and the youth that participate.
Campus Connections is a program where we take youth exposed to adversity in the community of Fort Collins and Loveland, and we pair them with mentors from the Colorado State University system, and we get to grow with them and get to know them and are just there for them throughout the semester.
Getting to know the kids, having the opportunity to be a part of something at CSU while also feeling a part of the community was really special.
I'm really thankful that I've also been able to stay connected and donate financially to the program.
And I think that's something that a lot of CSU alumni and community members will really find positive. And so I hope that they kind of see what I've seen in the program and also support it.
I have improved my communication skills and my public speaking skills when meeting the youth's families and having those one-on-one interactions, and I felt like I was making an impact. I feel well equipped with skills, and I feel like I have a lot of support.
As a manager, I use skills that I learned in Campus Connections every day, from conflict resolution to creating an inclusive team environment.
Some of the conversations we have on our nights were really difficult and very eye-opening. So a lot of people don't know what to say in those kind of situations because they aren't exposed to those conversations. And so that prepared me really well for my career in healthcare, for sure.
I love working with the adolescent population. Like, that's such a unique time in development that there's so much adversity, but there's so much growth and so much joy that sometimes is very deep inside kids. So just bringing that out and figuring out what makes these kids tick is something I'm really passionate about.
Campus Connections means a lot to me. It's a very, very special part of my college career, probably one of the most impactful. Also, the relationships and the friendships that I made with the mentors and mentor coaches and our lead therapists are things that I cherish really deeply, and we had a really good crew.
When students ask me why they should join Campus Connections, my only response is, why wouldn't they? It's awesome, it's incredible, and it is the best thing that I have been a part of at CSU.
We started the Developing Ramley Fund because to us, that's really what Campus Connections embodies. It's a place where students, staff, and youth can develop that sense of pride and connection with the CSU community.
I am honored to be able to support Campus Connections. I really got the idea from Kaylee Fulmer. It never really occurred to me that this was something I could do or an avenue I could go to pursue such an impactful group on me in my life and my career.
CSU alumni and students and faculty are extremely passionate, and so is the Fort Collins community. And the Campus Connections program has a really positive impact on CSU students, CSU faculty, as well as community members.
And there's not a lot, if any, resources like this. This is very much one of a kind. This program moves mountains for these kids.